LinkedIn has become a really effective tool for generating leads for businesses and entrepreneurs. More than 90% of B2B marketers stated that LinkedIn is the best place to win leads. In fact, 80% of B2B leads are generated on LinkedIn. And 64% of corporate website visits also originate on LinkedIn, which is impressive. But despite these positive numbers, a lot of times LinkedIn gets completely overlooked in many social media marketing strategies. I'm Marat from EMMOTION. I worked in HR and recruitment for over 12 years, and I personally created the corporate LinkedIn page for one of the biggest fashion retail brands in the world. I made it grow huge before the currently in charge of the page social media marketing department even existed. So in this video, I'll be sharing 5 LinkedIn marketing tips that every business and entrepreneur should implement to maximize the lead generation and to not waste any of your time on this platform. Please subscribe below and hit the notification bell to continue your professional and personal growth. And stick with me till the end of this video, where I share 10 LinkedIn marketing statistics, which are a must for your marketing strategy. No matter what type of business you want to create and promote on LinkedIn, the personal profile is where it all starts. To attract potential partners and customers, you need an attractive LinkedIn profile yourself, which tells people exactly what you do, gives them a reason to follow you or to connect with you. Make sure you have a headline, a customized background, and a profile summary to tell exactly what you do. Use LinkedIn profile to position yourself clearly. Check out my videos on how to make your LinkedIn profile stand out through the card above once you are done with this video. You will get detailed help on what your profile needs to be like before you build the rest of your brand marketing strategy through it. Tip number 2 is, of course, creating a company page. Whether you are a business owner or an entrepreneur, you need a company page. A LinkedIn company page gives you a way to tell to your potential clients, partners, and even to random strangers more about your business. It's completely free to start your own page. Simply enter your company name. Choose a LinkedIn company URL. A company page works similarly to your personal page. The name and logo appear near the top, along with a follow button and the visit website link. Upload your logo if you have it, or an image, but not any image, something professional and something which is in line with your brand. Underneath, in your About section, you share more about who you are, what you do. Here you also include a link to your website or to your blog. Keep your About section focused on the problems you solve and on the benefits you provide. Google will show the first 156 characters of your description. So make your LinkedIn company page SEO friendly and easy to find. Your company page is your LinkedIn home. If you want people to be around, to follow you, and to eventually consider your services or products, you will need to post updates. And this would be my 3rd tip: posting updates and involving your employees or your collaborators if you have them. Of course, ideally, you should do this often. And let me give you a few ideas and examples of what these updates should be related to. Show what's going on behind the scenes, what you are currently working on. If someone follows your company on LinkedIn, they would most likely want to know that. If you don't have a lot of internal content, you can always share industry news. What is new in your industry? What should people know about the coming trends? Share questions and engage with your audience. Interacting with your audience and getting to know their interests will help you create a stronger content. It also shows that you are someone who cares. I recommend sharing brief parts of content with a link to a full blog post or to a full video, and if someone wants to discover more, they would simply click on the link to view further. You could also implement action words and build curiosity while making these posts and content, but never in a clickbait way. Post question-based content, inspirational and unique content, and you'll be seeing an immediate increase in engagement. To be even more specific, let's proceed with the tip number 4. Use rich media to create a bigger impact. LinkedIn is a professional platform, but it doesn't mean you should be making text-only posts. Just like on any other social media platform, adding visually appealing elements like photos, videos, can help you capture the attention of your LinkedIn target audience much more effectively. Adding custom-made images can get you twice as many comments on your posts and level up your overall reach and engagement rate. Adding a video can drive up your engagement rate by 5 times, which makes it so important for your LinkedIn marketing strategy. And the most impressive numbers come with a live video. It can let you gain 25 times higher engagement rate than a text-only post. So consider including rich media content in your LinkedIn marketing efforts. Tip number 5. Connect with similar individuals with a background in target companies. Sometimes all you need is one connection with a potential client company to be on the road to that future sale. LinkedIn is very aware of this. That's why LinkedIn allows you to search for individuals in a very accurate way, with a lot of filters. For example, if you are searching for someone who is also an entrepreneur or a self-employed, someone located in Paris, someone who has a business development management experience for a major technological company, for example. No other social media platform gives you an opportunity to find such connections. So the idea behind this tip is to simply find individuals in organizations or the related professional field. Professionals that you can network and build relationships with. Instead of relying on them to come to you, show initiative and find them yourself. This doesn't mean immediately trying to sell them something. That's not how it works. Start networking, and the right moment will definitely come along at a certain point. And just as I promised, these are 10 LinkedIn statistics that you have to consider while using it as a marketing platform. There are about 700 million members on LinkedIn. 40% of its users, about 310 million, log on to the platform on mobile devices every month. LinkedIn is the most used social media platform amongst Fortune 500 companies. The US is the country with the most users on LinkedIn, about 155 million profiles. There are 30 million companies with a LinkedIn profile. 2 million pieces of content, including articles and media, are published on LinkedIn every month. Only 3 million users share content on LinkedIn weekly. 91% of marketing executives use LinkedIn as a source of high-quality content. 68% of B2B companies have acquired a customer through LinkedIn. Employees are 14 times more likely to share content from their employers than any other content on LinkedIn, especially when it comes to company news, which they are proud of. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please thumb up the video and share it with everyone who can benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next video coming up.